If you've ever wondered how to get around content forwarding restrictions on Telegram channels, you're definitely not alone. Many users are curious about how channels protect their posts and whether it's possible or legitimate to bypass these limits. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into this issue. I'll explain exactly why these forwarding restrictions exist and what you can and should do if you need to access or share specific content from a Telegram channel. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to handle this situation properly, so let's get started. Now, when you come across a Telegram channel and see that you can't forward, save, or download posts, it's not an accident. Channel owners use these restrictions for very good reasons. Think of it like a digital lock on a door. These features are put in place to protect their intellectual property, whether that's valuable information, exclusive images, or copyrighted files. Just as you'd expect someone to respect a do not copy sign at a museum exhibit, Telegram channels want to control how their content is distributed. This lets creators manage their reach and ensures they don't lose control over their original material. You might be tempted to search for ways around these restrictions. A quick online search will show lots of supposed hacks and third-party apps promising access. But let's pause here for a second because this is really important. Trying to bypass these protections isn't just disrespectful to the creator, it's also a violation of Telegram's terms of service. Using unauthorized apps or modified Telegram clients often exposes your device to security risks, like malware, viruses, or even having your Telegram account stolen. It's just not worth the risk, especially with your personal data and privacy at stake. So what can you do if you genuinely need a copy of something from a restricted channel? The most straightforward and respectful option is to simply reach out to the channel owner or administrator. Most channels have contact info somewhere, even if it's just through their Telegram profile. Write a polite message and explain your situation. For example, "Hi, I really enjoyed your recent post and was hoping to share it with a friend or save it for reference. Would you be willing to send me the file directly?" You'd be surprised how often creators are happy to help, especially if you express interest and respect their work. Second, always make sure you're following the rules around copyright and content usage. If the post contains copyrighted material, creators might have strict policies about sharing. It may seem like a small step, just asking permission, but it goes a long way in supporting original creators and building positive relationships online. If for any reason the owner declines, remember that it's their choice, and respecting that is part of being a responsible community member. To sum up, even though those forwarding locks can sometimes feel frustrating, they exist for good reason. Protecting digital content is harder than most people think, and respecting these boundaries keeps Telegram a safe place for creators and users alike. If you ever need access to restricted material, skip the risky technical shortcuts. Instead, reach out, ask, and always respect intellectual property. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts about Telegram channels. Subscribe for more practical tutorials and guides. See you next time.